Hello people, welcome back. What shall I shape this homemade donuts? Fluffy and yummy. I added 1 egg, sugar, margarine, yeast, salt, and I'll save my flour. So now I am done sieving. I will be adding in warm milk. I'm using my eggs because my eggs are properly washed. So I'll just combine and mix and do this until everything comes together. For my returnees, thank you. I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you for always tuning in. May the good Lord bless you all. So now I'm going to work it on my surface. So just work it for like 1 minute. If you are new to the channel and you want to see more snack videos, cooking videos, recipe, lifestyle, follow me by subscribing, turn on the post notification. So I was done kneading, I covered it, and that day was sunny, so I kept it under the sun and it was fast to double in size. So now I'm going to work it again for another 1 minute. Share this video for me, guys. Follow me on all my social platforms: IG, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook page, YouTube channel, Pinterest. So guys, I'm going to cut it into smaller sizes. So I'm using my pizza cutter to do that. You can use anything that you are comfortable with. So anytime I'm tasty to eat donuts, this is what I do. Easy, stress-free, fast and simple. So now I'm going to mold them just the way you are seeing me do. I'm going to continue this process until I'm done molding the process. So you can also follow me for more amazing videos. Keep watching, guys. Don't go away. Like and share this video for me. I would really appreciate that. So as you can see, I'm molding them. So I'm done molding. What I will do now, I'm going to cover them again, and I like to rest for another 30 minutes. So I will add my pan to my fire and add my cooking oil. So here it has been resting for 30 minutes. So I'll show you how I cut that hole inside the donuts. So this is what I do, easy and simple. This is another method as well, so you can follow up and do the same. So here it is. I'll flip them. Once it is golden brown, make sure you are doing it on a low medium heat, so you don't want the situation where inside is not cooked, the outside is cooked. So it's cooked, I will take them out of the oil and put in a sieve. This is the final look. Enjoy.